everyone. Myself Poonam Arora, Assistant Professor in Computer Department at KL Mehta Denan College for Women, Faridabad. As the sun rays announce a new day, I take this privilege and wish a grateful day to respected Principal Ma'am and to all our education imparting teachers. As we know, the long lockdown for the COVID-19 pandemic has closed school, colleges, and other educational institutions. Teacher and student enter into a world of virtual classroom. There is always a chance that some faculty who are not techno savvy will not be able to cope with the mode of online teaching. So it is the right time for the faculty, students, and of course administrator to overcome these challenges. Today I have studied two mode of teaching that help you to prepare online lecture. Before going to start the hands-on session, I would like to share the objective of virtual classroom. Why we use virtual class? The virtual classroom allow learner to attend a class from anywhere in the world. It is similar to a real classroom and it remove the geographical barriers and it is easy to organize, and we can share lot of learning resource with the student and with the teachers also. It also promote the group learning. So let's start with our first topic, that is a V recorder and screen recorder app. So this V recorder and screen recorder app is only work in the phone, that cannot be work on your laptop. So let's start with it. First of all, you have to click on the Play Store button from your phone and you have to enter the screen recorder option. If you want to enter V recorder screen recorder option, just click on that, and in front of you can see lot of V recorder and screen recorder app, and there are some rating that given to the these recorder. So I am using the first one. This is the best video recorder and screen recorder capture. Okay, now after opening this, you have to click on the install button. It takes few seconds to install into your mobile phone. After installing it, you have to give the permission from your phone to use this V recorder app, and you can easily record your document, your PPT with the help of this record, and you can use your picture also, your camera also. So wait for it. Okay, now I am opening it. Click on the open button. Okay, so the first screen in front of you asking to allow your app from your phone to use it. So just click on the allow button, and you get the floating window. In the floating window, you get a V recorder app best screen recorder. Okay, in the best screen recorder app, you get a slider bar. Just click on the slider bar, it become blue, and this blue bar allow you to use this best screen recorder into your phone. So if you want to get back from your phone this floating window, just click on the back arrow button. Now it asks to access the photo, media and file from your device, so just click on the allow button. And it also asking to record your audio, so just click on the allow button. Okay, now you get the screen. This is a small demo of your screen recorder. Okay, now there is a option of setting button. In the setting button, you can see there is a video resolution, video FPS, video orientation. Okay, if you want to change the orientation of your video, just click on that. Auto, portrait and landscape. Automatic is by default set by the this recorder. If you want to convert into portrait and landscape, just click on that. Okay, I will remain it as it is. And the first one is a video FPS, video per frame. The per frame make your video very smoother, and the average, you can only use the average part of your video. You can use 30 FPS, 35 frame per second. Okay, here I am using 30 frame per second. So when you get the higher range, then your video become very smoother. This is a resolution. Resolution tells that your pixels, yani it means your video having lot of pixels. So if you want to make your video very attractive or very looks very beautiful, then you have to use this resolution part, because some of the video having very scattered image. So just click on the resolution part. Here I am using 480p. P means pixel. Okay, now the next is the custom setting. The custom setting tells you the countdowns. When you click on the video but audio button, it start countdowns 3, 2 and 1. If you want to no delay, अगर आप इसमें कुछ भी और कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हो, if you want to get 5 second or 10 second, just click on that. Okay, now next tool is a screenshot and camera. If you want to open your camera, if you want to record your picture also, so just click on the camera. When you click on the camera option, you get a screen that allow that also asking for taking your picture and recording video. So just click on the allow button. Now you get the screen. Here I'm this is a picture because I'm already using the V Recorder app. So in the second screen my picture will not be shown. Okay, so if you want to close it, just click on the close button. Okay, now when you install the best screen recorder into your phone or any type of screen recorder into your phone, you get two type of logo. The first one is called the icon. This is known as a best screen recorder, and the right hand side of your mobile phone you get a small logo of this best screen. Okay, okay, now next click on this best screen. You can see there is a 4 option. The first option is used to record your audio. Okay, if you want to click here on that option, you get your started your video or audio recorded into your phone. And this is a home page. Home page help you to get into back into your best screen recorder app. Okay, now next is a tool. Next one is a toolbox. The toolbox gives you two options, screenshot and camera. Actually in the Play Store you can see lot of V Recorder and screen recorder app, and in all of the V Recorder and screen recorder app you get the lot of tools. In this screen recorder we have only two tools, a screenshot or camera. Actually there is a X Recorder app or screen recorder app that help you to create your live video on your YouTube channel. So if you want to open your camera, just click on camera option and you get the screen again. Okay, after that, then when if you want to share record your any data, any PPT, just click on the data file manager. Okay, in the file manager I get the screen this. If you want to change it back, so here I am using the WhatsApp image. Suppose I am opening this image. Okay, using this image, after opening this image you just click on the start video. When you click on this button, it also asks for the recording. Here I am using 480 pixel जो already मैंने set किया था. If you want to use it, just click on this. Actually I am using V Recorder app, so this part is not continue in this video. So when you click on the audio button, you get the start now option and the countdown will start 3, 2, 1 and you started your video and audio into your phone. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, then you can ask easily. Thank you so much.